The leather leaves are handmade in Colombia, inspired by Colombia's biodiversity. Colombia has 10% of the world's biodiversity. The idea with the leather leaves was to bring a piece of nature into our homes. SurEvolution's idea is to work with artisans all over the world and bring them together so that they can have a meaningful and sustainable life around traditional crafts. We're using leather. Leather is a byproduct of the cattle industry that is very important in Colombia's Central Plains, and it is a second byproduct of the shoe industry and leather industry. So we are using actually leftovers from other industries, recycling them and using very clean handmade processes that are inspired by traditional gaucho culture. We have many good master artisans in Colombia of many different crafts, one of them leather, and we decided to train different groups of ex-combatants from different parts of Colombia's conflict to learn the different stages of the process.
En el trabajo manual pues también hay como un construirse a sí mismo, siempre es como un encuentro consigo mismo, ese acto de estar concentrado, buscando la perfección o buscando un fin determinado, con toda la paciencia que eso implica, con toda la contracorriente que eso es frente a un mundo donde todo es tan veloz, es un acto de revisión a sí mismo. Es muy inspirador el cuero, no sé.
El cuero refleja el estado de ánimo de la persona, ¿no?
Cierto, sí.
We are working around the shape of salvia. Salvia is a shamanic leaf used in a lot of Indian ceremonies in the Amazon jungle. The whole process is handmade and it consists in actually melting the hands into the leather with water, and one of the characteristics of tala, of the type of leather that we're using, or raw leather, is that it can be molded, and with the humidity you can adapt it and you can create different shapes, and you can create bowls and longer leaves and many different things. The idea is that through the work of artisans, through handmade work, which is actually a work that is connected to the human being and to, it's like a meditation, we can provide alternatives not only for just training people, but commercial alternatives for a peaceful and sustainable life.